How to install an over-the-range microwave with an Airsled LiftCart. When working above a range, placing a protective blanket on the cooktop for safety is recommended. Additionally, Airsled's plastic spacer sticks are used to reduce potential stress from the LiftCart on the glass surface. Carefully place the LiftCart on the cooktop so that it rests on the plastic spacer sticks. When connecting the LiftCart's wires, always ensure they run completely under the frame to prevent them from getting pulled or pinched during operation. Wood blocks create a gap for your arm to maneuver the microwave. They also help when the cabinets sit lower than the microwave and can block the LiftCart's top. Carefully place the microwave on the wood blocks and slide it between the cabinets. You are now ready to raise the microwave. Raise the microwave until it is about 3 to 4 inches from the overhead cabinet. Because the next step requires manually setting the microwave, a step stool can help improve leverage. With your arm under the microwave, carefully set it into the rear mounting plate. Once securely set, let the microwave rest on the wood blocks. Raise the microwave into position, which may involve pulling the electric cord into the overhead cabinet. Complete the installation by securing the mounting bolts and connecting the microwave to an outlet. When lowering the LiftCart, always monitor surroundings to prevent damage. Learn more at www.airsled.com.